Hey there, future entrepreneurs! Are you looking for a profitable construction business you can start with low investment? Well, you're in the right place. Today, I'll share some of the best small-scale construction business ideas you can start right now and make money fast. Stay tuned because the last idea is a hidden gem most people overlook. Best small-scale construction business ideas you can start today. First up, we have home renovation and remodeling. With more people wanting to upgrade their homes, this business is in high demand. You can focus on kitchen remodeling, bathroom upgrades, or even full house makeovers. The best part? You don't need a huge investment, just the right tools and a skilled team. Next, we have tile and flooring installation. Whether it's ceramic tiles, hardwood, or vinyl flooring, many homeowners and businesses need this service. You can partner with real estate agents, interior designers, and landlords to get more clients. Start small, and as demand grows, expand your team. Another profitable niche is door and window installation. New buildings and renovations always need quality doors and windows. With the right tools and a small team, you can start offering installation, repair, or even custom designs for clients. Oh, and here's a bonus tip. Expand your services to security doors and energy-efficient windows. If you have technical skills, plumbing and electrical services are great businesses to start. Homeowners and businesses always need repairs, installations, and upgrades. You can start small, work with contractors, and eventually grow into a full-service company. One of the easiest construction businesses to start is painting and wall finishing. With minimal investment in paint, brushes, and rollers, you can offer services for homes, offices, and commercial buildings. Plus, with creative wall finishes like three-dimensional panels and textured painting, you can charge higher rates. And here's a bonus idea: construction material supply. If you have access to bulk materials like sand, cement, roofing sheets, or tiles, you can start selling to builders and contractors. Even with a small investment, you can start as a middleman and grow from there. That's it for today, guys. These are some of the best small-scale construction business ideas you can start today with little investment. Which one caught your attention? Let me know in the comments. Host, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss my next business ideas video. See you soon!